Did you know that every second breath you take comes from the ocean? It's true, the ocean is not just a vast expanse of water, it's a vital part of our ecosystem that sustains life on Earth. Every time you inhale, you are connecting with the ocean in a profound way. While we often think of rainforests as the lungs of the Earth, the ocean plays a much bigger role in producing the oxygen we breathe. In fact, the ocean contributes to over 50% of the world's oxygen supply. The lush green canopies of rainforests are indeed crucial, but the ocean's contribution is even more significant. Hidden within its vast depths are tiny organisms that work tirelessly to provide us with this life-giving gas. These organisms are so small that they are invisible to the naked eye, yet their impact is monumental. They form the foundation of the marine food web and are essential for the survival of countless marine species. These microscopic heroes are called phytoplankton, and they are the true champions of oxygen production on our planet. Phytoplankton are single-celled organisms that float near the surface of the water, harnessing sunlight to perform photosynthesis. This process not only produces oxygen but also absorbs carbon dioxide, helping to regulate our climate. Without them, life as we know it would not be possible. Phytoplankton are the unsung heroes of our planet, supporting the entire marine ecosystem and, by extension, all life on Earth. They are the primary producers in the ocean, forming the base of the food chain that supports everything from tiny fish to massive whales. So let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of phytoplankton and their crucial role in keeping our planet alive. By understanding and appreciating these tiny organisms, we can better protect our oceans and ensure the health of our planet for future generations. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the ocean's breath and the incredible life forms that make it possible. Phytoplankton may be small, but they are mighty. These microscopic organisms are plant-like creatures that drift through the sunlit layers of the ocean. They are so tiny that you would need a microscope to see them clearly. Yet despite their size, they play an outsized role in sustaining life on Earth. Imagine a world filled with countless tiny plants, each one absorbing sunlight and releasing oxygen into the water. That's what phytoplankton do. They are like miniature oxygen factories, constantly working to replenish the air we breathe. Phytoplankton, like all plants, possess a special ability called photosynthesis. This tiny yet mighty organism plays a crucial role in our planet's ecosystem. This process allows them to capture energy from sunlight and use it to convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar for food. Essentially, they are the primary producers in the ocean, forming the base of the marine food web. As a byproduct of this process, they release oxygen into the surrounding water. In fact, phytoplankton are responsible for producing at least 50% of the Earth's oxygen, making them vital for the survival of many marine and terrestrial life forms. Think of it like baking a cake. Just as a baker needs the right ingredients and conditions to create a delicious treat, phytoplankton needs specific elements to perform photosynthesis. You mix together flour, sugar, eggs, and other ingredients. Each component has a specific role, just like carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight do for phytoplankton. The oven provides the heat, and voila, you have a delicious cake. Similarly, the sun provides the energy needed for phytoplankton to transform their ingredients into food and oxygen. In a similar way, phytoplankton use sunlight as their oven, carbon dioxide and water as their ingredients, and photosynthesis as their recipe to produce oxygen. This magical process not only sustains the phytoplankton but also supports countless other organisms, including humans, by maintaining the balance of gases in our atmosphere. So next time you take a breath of fresh air, remember the tiny phytoplankton and their incredible magic trick that makes life on Earth possible. Scientists estimate that phytoplankton are responsible for producing at least 50% of the oxygen in our atmosphere. These microscopic organisms, often invisible to the naked eye, are the unsung heroes of our planet's respiratory system. They float near the surface of the ocean, harnessing sunlight through photosynthesis to create oxygen. That's right, every other breath you take comes from these tiny marine plants. It's astonishing to think that such small organisms have such a massive impact on our daily lives. Without them, the air we breathe would be drastically different. Their contribution to our planet's oxygen supply is absolutely crucial for the survival of humans and countless other species that depend on oxygen to breathe. From the smallest fish to the largest whales and even terrestrial animals, all rely on the oxygen produced by phytoplankton. This delicate balance is what keeps our ecosystems thriving. Imagine a world with half the oxygen we have today. The consequences would be dire. Many species would struggle to survive, and the biodiversity of our planet would be severely impacted. The oceans would become barren, and the intricate web of life that depends on oxygen would unravel. It would be a very different place with far less life as we know it. The lush, vibrant ecosystems we are familiar with would be replaced by desolate, lifeless waters. The impact on human life would be profound, affecting everything from our health to our food supply. Phytoplankton play a fundamental role in maintaining the delicate balance of gases in our atmosphere, ensuring that there is enough oxygen to support life on Earth. Their presence is a testament to the interconnectedness of all life forms and the importance of preserving our oceans. By protecting these tiny organisms, we are safeguarding the very air we breathe and the future of countless species that share our planet. Section 5. The base of the food web. Phytoplankton sustaining marine life. Phytoplankton are not just oxygen producers, they are also the foundation of the marine food web. They serve as the primary food source for a wide range of marine animals, from tiny zooplankton to giant whales. Just like plants on land provide food for herbivores, phytoplankton are grazed upon by countless small creatures in the ocean. These herbivorous marine animals, in turn, become food for larger predators, creating a complex and interconnected web of life in the ocean. Section 6. From tiny critters to mighty whales, the interconnected web of life. The food web doesn't stop there. Larger fish consume the smaller fish that feed on phytoplankton, and so on. Even the largest creatures in the ocean, like baleen whales, rely on phytoplankton, albeit indirectly. These gentle giants filter massive amounts of water through their baleen plates, trapping tiny crustaceans called krill. Krill, in turn, feed on phytoplankton. So even though whales don't eat phytoplankton directly, their survival ultimately depends on the abundance of these microscopic plants. Section 7. Beyond the ocean. Phytoplankton's influence on the global ecosystem. The influence of phytoplankton extends far beyond the ocean's surface. They play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. During photosynthesis, phytoplankton take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and convert it into organic matter. This process helps to regulate the Earth's temperature by removing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from the atmosphere. Section 8. Climate heroes, phytoplankton and carbon dioxide. When phytoplankton die, they sink to the ocean floor, carrying the absorbed carbon with them. This process, known as the biological pump, helps to sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere for long periods. In this way, phytoplankton act as a natural carbon sink, mitigating the effects of climate change by reducing the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Their role in regulating the Earth's climate is just as important as their role in producing oxygen. Section 9. Trouble in paradise. Threats to phytoplankton populations. Unfortunately, these vital oxygen producers and climate regulators are facing growing threats. Pollution, ocean warming, and ocean acidification are all taking a toll on phytoplankton populations. Pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and plastic debris can harm phytoplankton, disrupting their growth and reproduction. Warmer ocean temperatures can lead to changes in ocean currents and nutrient availability, further impacting phytoplankton populations. Section 10. Protecting our invisible oxygen factories, a call to action. It is crucial that we take steps to protect these microscopic heroes. Reducing pollution, mitigating climate change, and protecting marine habitats are all essential for ensuring the health of phytoplankton populations. We can all do our part by reducing our carbon footprint, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and advocating for policies that protect our oceans. Every action counts when it comes to safeguarding these vital organisms. Our blue planet's fate. The importance of phytoplankton conservation. The fate of our blue planet is intricately linked to the health of phytoplankton. Their survival is not just about maintaining a healthy ocean, it's about ensuring the continued existence of life on Earth as we know it. By understanding the crucial role that phytoplankton play in our planet's ecosystem, we can appreciate the urgent need to protect them. Let's work together to ensure that these tiny organisms continue to thrive, providing us with the oxygen we breathe and regulating the climate that sustains us. A pause. 3S. Section 12. The power of collective action. While individual efforts are important, the true power lies in our collective actions. Governments, organizations, and individuals must come together to implement policies and practices that protect our oceans and the phytoplankton within them. By supporting sustainable fishing practices, reducing carbon emissions, and minimizing plastic pollution, we can make a significant impact. Pause. 2S. Remember, every small action counts. Whether it's choosing reusable products, participating in local cleanup efforts, or spreading awareness, your contribution matters. Together, we can ensure a healthier planet for future generations. Pause. 2S. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Your support helps us create more videos like this. See you next time.